Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I recreated the Hobby Lobby Hello Pumpkin sign for almost no cost using DollarTree products. As you can see, their sign was larger, but even on sale, it was still about, $12. So I didn't have the pumpkin black new chalkboard sign because my store doesn't have that stuff yet. So I used the stash sign from Valentine's Day. And then I also used some of the Jenga blocks to frame out my sign. And what I did was I used wood glue, and as you can see, I made my connections, and then I added the row with 4 to the row with 6, and that's how long it was. If you use this black sign with the pumpkin already cut, it's probably going to be a different size. I'm not sure. Then in my Cricut, using the Courier and Samantha fonts, I did my Hello Pumpkin, and you can see my pumpkin is split up because I'm going to use cardstock and not vinyl. So here you can see that the cardstock did print out very nicely and cut out very nicely. And then I pieced together my pump and my kin, and I placed it down onto my sign. And my border's not glued on yet. And this way I knew right where to glue my pieces in so that they would line up properly. And that's usually how I glue things together. I always use like the stencil part in quotes. And here you can see how it all lines up very nicely. And then I tried to do the same thing with the hello, but because of the glyph on the hello, there was no way that I could glue that sucker down. So I did bite the bullet, and I used some vinyl, and I just stuck it on there with the vinyl. So that's vinyl, and the pumpkin part is cardstock. Then I took my frame, and I used wood glue, and I clamped it onto the sign and let it dry. And you can see it's still pretty ugly on the reverse side. So I just covered that up with some of the craft paper that DollarTree carries. And my sign was complete. I like my small version because I have a small place to place it, and it was very economical, and it gave me something to do with my time off. Quarantino and I will hope you enjoyed our project. If you did, please give our video a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. As always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. Quarantino and I will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.